This is how to make a website for your property for free in 1 minute. So in Apply Design, go to my websites and click Create Property Website. You have 3 options to create your property. I chose manually. Fill the details and add photos of your property. You can leave the description and features empty and the AI will fill it for you. Choose a starting template and launch your website. Apply Design writes the copy from your photos and your details. You can change anything you want. You can add photos, 3D tour, video tour, and so on. You can also adjust your domain by either using an existing domain you have or purchasing one. Once you click publish, you will see the result of your website. You can also go back and edit everything. And analytics shows who's looking, visitors, time on the page, and leads. That's your weekly seller update, and your first website is for free. Link in the description below.